Good afternoon. No, good evening, everybody. And today I'm going to do a really quick recap of the trade that I took today. And today I took some bad trade. I took some good trade as well. And let's dissect my trade and journal my trade and document my trade as usual. And let's talk about the trade idea that I took, right? And today I make a little bit over 600 something Hong Kong dollar. And probably I will lose this trade and it's okay. I was still in profit for the day. But long story short, let's talk about the trade that I took. And yeah, just really dissect what I did right, what I did wrong, and how can I improve it. That's the most important part, right? So today I took one loss, two losses, three winning trade, and probably four losses here. So um I think it's okay. Let's talk about the trade that I took first, right? So yeah, probably trade with this trade this is or not, I'm not sure, but let's talk about the trade idea that I have, right? So initially when I look at the chart of I'm thinking that probably we are in a obviously bull channel, right? So I have a bull channel here and then uh I have a bull channel here and then connect this low, connect this low, and then you can see that I have a bull channel here. So I have a bull channel here, and then my first idea is just, okay, we're in a bull channel. So when price came to the bull channel, probably I'm going to buy, right? And you can see that the follow through after the bear breakout is pretty weak. I would say it's probably most likely it will be a bear leg in the trend range or a bear leg in bull flat, right? So you can see that long wick to the bottom, long tail to the bottom, doji bar after bear breakout bar, bull bar after bear breakout bar. And you can see that a lot of like small trend range candle. And I'm thinking that probably we're in a trend range and the breakout, bear breakout is not that strong either. So I'm thinking that probably I'm going to look for buy idea, right? That's my whole idea, right? So initially I took a buy here. I would say I took a buy stop. I put a buy stop here as price form a micro double bottom here. Lower high. I would say this trade is a bit a hasty trade, but I would say some of my account didn't activate, but my FTMO account did activate this trade, so I lose the first trade on my FTMO account. I'll say this trade is a bit, you can see it's a bit low probability. When I look back, you can see that strong bear breakout probably will have us selling it down, right? So buy above a weak bull bar, I would say it's a low probability event, even though we're at a bottom of the channel, and probably this bear breakout move is strong enough, probably we will have a selling down. You can see that probably one, two. This is clear. We have a sign down, right? So, yep, you can see that. Probably it will hit my stop, and I will pretty much only win, I would say, 200 something buck for today. But nevertheless, I'm still profit at my other account, my FTM 10K funding account, and also my funding pip account. I would say it's okay, but let's talk about the trade that I took first, right? You can see that first losing trade on my FTM account here. I would say the probability is less likely because like this bull bar is weak and then the bear breakout is strong. Probably we will have at least a second leg down, right? So first, second leg down, and this is a low probability event, so I avoid taking losses by using a stop entry instead of buy at the market, right? That's the first idea. Yeah, probably it will hit my stop, but it's okay. I'm still up for the day, right? So, it's a learning lesson for me from losing to winning and to only win a little, right? So, yeah. I think it's good. I think it's good. But trading is not easy, definitely. Involve a lot of emotion, involve a lot of like, um, yeah, emotion, and you just have to make a decision, as logical as possible, right? So that's the first trade idea that I have. When I look back, it's not a good trade anyway, right? But I didn't enter in my main account, my IC Market Live account, so it's all good. And then enter a second trade here. Probably gonna hit my stop at the live market, right? I would say I know the reason probably is like my climate. It's a climatic move, but okay. Yeah. Also took out. It have a pretty strong retracement, right? 170 pip retracement. Oh, still didn't hit the stop of my FTMO account. So it was less, right? So today only up 200 something buck, which is all right, right? Not good, definitely, but what can I do, man? Like, what can I do? Up $700 for the year. It's all right for me. Like, this is my FTMO account in a deep drawdown. You can see that right now, hoping that price can continue pushing up, pushing higher, right? So, that's the whole idea. And let's talk about the trade that I took today, right? A lot of distraction. And then my whole idea is probably this will be a bear leg in the trend range, and then the bear is not that strong either. So probably I'm going to look for buy opportunity, right? This is buy didn't activate on my other account, but this buy I did enter above this bar over here. This bar over here, as this is like micro double bottom, you can see that, and this is a um small trailing range pattern. You can see that it's an IOI pattern, probably breakout mode, and then buy above the height of a bull bar, looking for a reversal up, right? But you can see that this will be a low probability bet as well, as we can see that whenever I have a good risk reward, probably my probability of the trade playing out will be lower, right? So it's a low probability bet. You can see that I have a very clean risk reward. I put my stop here, and you can see that my stop got stop out. So probably maybe next time when I trade, to set up something like this, next time I will use a lower risk because the probability of my trade getting hit is higher and the risk reward is high as well, right? So um that's my second trade. It's a losing trade. And the third trade that I took is a really stupid trade. I took a short here as I see, okay, probably we're in a breaking below here, but the problem is this is a bear leg in the training range, right? You can see the very bad follow through after every single bear breakout. And then the OG price action as well, training range price action as well. You can see that both are able to make money every single time by buying at the prior low. So you can see that it's not good bear trend. If I want to take a short or a bear breaker, I should at least wait for another bear bar close on its low, right? And also you can see that long wick to the bottom, long wick to the bottom, trailing range price action. So and I entered the trade and I realized that. So I exit somewhere around here. You can see that. I exit somewhere around here. So today I would say I caught a big swing up, but you know, I still, just barely break even. You can see that today, right? So just $272, just breaking even. Nevertheless, it's good, not losing money, right? So cannot complain anything. But you can see that I'm still a lot to learn. I'm not perfect. I still make some stupid mistake. But I didn't hold to my trade. I exit immediately after thinking that probably I'm make a wrong decision. We're in a trailing range and barely in trailing range, and then price probably will reverse. And after I saw this big reversal bar, I'm thinking that okay, probably we have a wash bottom here. This bull bar this makes sense, and then um yeah, everything is good, right? This bull bar makes sense. Buy above the high there, put my stop below that bar. Just targeting this high, you can see that boom, I enter my trade, I take profit there, 1 to 2 risk reward ratio, and then add another position here as this is like another breakout trade. Two bull bar close on this high, very easy, put my stop here. Another clean trade, this is a trade that I want to take day in and day out. This is a good trade as well. And I think this trade is reasonable, but it's low ability. I think this trade here is not a good trade because like the bar is pretty low and I do not want to trade when the bar is, it's not that strong, right? And probably I think there will be a trade idea if this close something like that. I will probably enter again, but wait for 2 minutes. Probably price will continue pushing up if you close something like that. This is pretty nice setup. I cannot miss that, right? I'm willing to risk a little bit. It's really strong, I'll say. I'm willing to take another bet buying above this high. I think it's totally reasonable. It's a high one buy setup for me. Yeah, I'm going to go to bed and this is the trade I took today. Uh, One kind of like dumb trade here. This is okay trade. I go down the bottom. I add another position there, which is fine. And I got stop out here, and then I took a short, still a short, and then I took a buy here as well. Take profit, took another buy, as this is like a bull breakout above trailing range, but probably this is like be a buy climat. This is a climatic move. It's the biggest bull bar in the late in the bull trend, 20 bar of trend. So, but the next bar closed bullish, and then it gives me a more confidence that probably it will be measuring a measuring gap, and then it will probably the low of this, the high of this, like one type of the measure move, and then probably retest there. And that's my whole idea. And then took a long there, and then price just wiped me out, and then I just want to give it a second chance, and then put my stop below that low, and then continue pushing up as I'm trading with the trend, right? So that's my whole idea. So, yeah, that's my whole idea, and I'm going to call it a day.